Guys, apartments generally do not go up in value, especially the ones that are on real big high rises. Only very few selected apartments will go up in value because of their exclusiveness, because of they're in a heritage building or they are some big penthouse somewhere in a posh area. But generally speaking, apartments will not go up in value. They will give you some good rental income, but that will actually hold you back from buying another property because there is no land component in an apartment. So generally speaking, in property investing, the land is what appreciates in value, and the house on that land is something that will allow you to get the rental income, and which also helps to appreciate the value of the land. So if we are buying something with a decent land size, I'm not talking really big land size, but even a decent land size, you are much more likely to grow your portfolio faster, have some equity taken out from that property and put it into a subsequent new property at a later stage. So apartments will not be able to do that. Apartments we generally recommend when you have maybe 5 to 6 properties and then you want like a bit of more positive cash flow thrown into it, then we might consider. But generally for 99% of the people, yeah, we do not recommend apartments. Thank you.